Motorola Edge 60 Fusion has been officially unveiled. It is the first phone with the Dimensity 7400 processor. This device has a 6.7-inch curved POLED display with 1.5K resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, and a maximum brightness of 4500 nits, protected by Gorilla Glass 7i. Its body meets the MIL STD 810H military standard and has IP68 and IP69 certifications, withstanding temperatures from -20 to 60 degrees Celsius and hot water jets. Inside, the 4nm Dimensity 7400 is paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, running Android 15 with 3 years of upgrades. A 5500 mAh battery supports 68 watts fast charging. In the camera section, there's a 50-megapixel main camera with an f1.88 aperture using a Sony Litia 700C sensor. It includes optical stabilization and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide camera with an f2.2 aperture and autofocus for macro shots. Finally, it also has a 3-in-1 sensor to avoid flickering indoors with artificial light, detect light, and to correctly interpret colors. The front camera is 32 megapixels with f2.2 aperture but fixed focus. Fortunately, both the two rear cameras and the front camera can record in 4K at 30 frames per second. It will be available in Pantone, Slipstream, Zephyr, and Amazonite colors. The announced price for this in India is around $269 for 8 GB of RAM. And for 12 GB of RAM, it is approximately $292. However, keep in mind that prices here might differ from those over there. It appears that Motorola is set to maintain its positive momentum, consistently providing devices with impressive specifications at a very competitive price point.